In this video, I'm going to teach you how to request and recall email approval in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to open right here your actual HubSpot email. Just head over to Marketing and click on Email in order to find it. Now, once we're in there, just head over and select the draft that you wish to edit. I'll choose right here this one and click on the name or the edit option that should appear onto that case. Now, once we're in there, you can see this option. You can click on the request approval if it's available on your case. You can also click on this review and test and choose right here to send a test email. If on some cases that you can find the request approval button in the top right corner, that's because it's not available to you since you're the one who actually made it. So you need to be just a contributor in order to toggle this button. And for this case, a higher up or an admin will approve your actual request and it should be added to the set of emails to be sent out onto the newsletter. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.